a new silent pandemic has been wreaking havoc across the globe, and estimated
It's said to be the greatest apocalypse mankind has ever witnessed, and it's looking to be our last as well.
We officially declare that we have exhausted all known medication, and our goal of finding an effective cure has been proven fruitless.
It's 500 million right now, and we expect it could rise to 7 billion in the next few months. My advice, say your goodbye, folks, because we are all going to die.
yes, I got it.
Oh, there you are. I found a solution to the apocalypse. This apocalypse, silent pandemic, yeah? Scary stuff. Look at this. If you didn't know, it's a wave of new super bacteria, a whole family of them, all resistant to antibiotics. I've been telling you, all of you, for years, to stop abusing antibiotics, but none of you listen. Selfish bastards. Breathe in, breathe out. While you were dilly-dallying, I've been working sleeplessly to invent this point-of-care test kit to detect resistance. You get a sample, any sample, and put it into the kit. It will first lyse the bacteria to release its DNA. Resistant enzymes will then digest DNA to crop out the resistant gene, if there is one. The gene will then bind onto a circular DNA template, and assay will amplify it. The assay product will be a bunch of gene and a G-quadruplex. And that G-quad will turn blue when exposed to H₂O₂. All this means if the sample contains resistant bacteria, it will turn blue. And you know what the best part is? There's no need for specialized personnel or machines. That means we can implement it right now at a low cost. It's gonna revolutionize the world and save it. What's in the genius?